Good day, math learners! Today, we will be dealing with the addition and subtraction of polynomials. Please take note, to add and subtract two or more polynomials means to combine their similar terms. When we say similar terms, they are similar if they have exactly the same variable and have the same exponents or the same literal coefficients. For example, if we have 4x and negative 5x, they are similar because they have the same variable, which is x, and its exponent is 1. Another example, if we have 5x squared and negative 2x squared, they are also similar terms because they have the same variable, which is x, and its exponent is 2. We have also 9x cubed and 6x cubed. They are similar terms because they have the same variable, which is x, and its exponent is 3. So those are the examples of similar terms. Take note these important things because this is really a big help for us. To combine similar terms means to perform addition and subtraction on the numerical coefficient of the terms by following the rules for adding or subtracting integers. The commutative and associative properties of addition and the distributive property of multiplication are used in addition of polynomials. For example number 1, add 4x squared plus 8x plus 2 and negative 3x squared plus 4x minus 7. The process that we are going to use for addition or subtraction of polynomials is the horizontal method. So these given polynomials can be written to this form in which the parentheses are being removed. So we have 4x squared plus 8x plus 2 minus 3x squared plus 4x minus 7. After which, rearrange the terms according to similar terms. Since 4x squared and negative 3x squared are similar terms because they have the same variable and exponent, which is x squared, then we need to put them side by side, as well as 8x and 4x, 2 and negative 7, and then we are going to simplify them further. So 4x squared minus 3x squared, we are going to subtract the numerical coefficients first, which are 4 and negative 3. So 4 minus 3, it is equal to 1. Then copy x squared. So the answer is 1x squared or x squared. And we have also 8x plus 4x. Add the numerical coefficient 8 and 4, and the answer is 12. Copy x, so the answer is 12x. And then 2 minus 7, the answer is negative 5. So that is why we have negative 5 there. So the answer is x squared plus 12x minus 5. There is another method to be used in adding and subtracting polynomials. We call them as vertical method. In this method, we are going to write the polynomials in column form. Similar terms should be in the same column, or they are aligned to each other. So 4x squared plus 8x plus 2 and negative 3x squared plus 4x minus 7 can be arranged in this form. Make it sure that the similar terms should be in the same column or they are aligned to each other. So add 4x squared and negative 3x squared. Or just simply add the numerical coefficients, which are 4 and negative 3, and it is equal to 1. Then copy x squared. So the answer is 1x squared, or simply x squared. In 8x plus 4x, add the numerical coefficients 8 and 4. And the answer is 12. Copy x. So the answer is 12x. And we have also 2 plus negative 7. And the answer is negative 5. Therefore, our answer would be x squared plus 12x minus 5. For example number 2, add 4x squared plus 5 minus x cubed plus 2x and 6 minus 5x squared plus 2x cubed. Same process that we had earlier. For addition or subtraction of polynomials, we will use the horizontal method. So these given polynomials can be written to this form, in which the parentheses are removed. So we have 4x squared plus 5 minus x cubed plus 2x plus 6 minus 5x squared plus 2x cubed. After which, we are going to rearrange the terms according to similar terms, and it must be in the standard form, in which the term that has the highest number of exponent should be written as the first term of a polynomial, and followed by the second highest number of exponent as the second term, and so on. So there must be a decreasing order of the exponent when we arrange the terms in a polynomial. So negative x cubed and 2x cubed should be put first side by side. Then 4x squared and negative 5x squared. After that, write 2x and then 5 and 6, and then simplify them further according to similar terms. And then get its result. Negative x cubed plus 2x cubed, or just simply negative 1 plus 2, the answer is 1, and then copy x cubed, or the answer is 1x cubed or x cubed. 4x squared minus 5x squared, or just simply 4 minus 5, the answer is negative 1, and then copy x squared. So we have negative 1x squared or negative x squared. Copy 2x, and then 5 plus 6, the answer is 11. So the whole answer would be x cubed minus x squared plus 2x plus 11. So this time, we will use the vertical method. Please do not forget to write the polynomials in column form. Similar terms should be in the same column. Make sure to write each polynomial in its standard form, in which the term that has the highest number of exponent should be written as the first term of a polynomial, and followed by the second highest number of exponent as the second term, and so on. So there must be a decreasing order of the number of exponent when we arrange the terms in a polynomial. So we have negative x cubed plus 4x squared plus 2x plus 5 and 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus 6, and then combine the terms which are said to be similar terms, and then add them first. So negative x cubed plus 2x cubed, the answer is 1x cubed or x cubed. 4x squared plus negative 5x squared, the answer is negative x squared. So we have 2x, bring down 2x. 5 plus 6, the answer is 11. So answer is x cubed minus x squared plus 2x plus 11. For example number 3, this time we will subtract 5x squared plus 3x minus 6 and 7x minus 8. So please take note that to subtract polynomials, change their operation into addition and change the sign of each term of the second polynomial or the subtrahend. So first and foremost, we are going to write first the given, and after which that would be the time for us to change the operation of the polynomials from subtraction to addition. So it will become 5x squared plus 3x minus 6 plus negative 7x plus 8. Next is to remove the parentheses in the process. So it will become 5x squared plus 3x minus 7x plus 8. As you can see, the plus sign and the negative sign becomes subtraction process, in which the symbol becomes the minus sign. After that, rearrange the terms according to similar terms, and it must be in the standard form. So we have 5x squared plus 3x minus 7x minus 6 plus 8. 3x and 7x should be put side by side, and negative 6 and 8 should be put also side by side. So as we simplify them further, we have copy 5x squared and then 3x minus 7x, that would be negative 4x, and negative 6 plus 8, that must be positive 2. So the answer is 5x squared minus 4x plus 2. So this time, we will use the vertical method in subtracting these given polynomials. First, arrange the polynomials in column form, and the similar terms should be aligned or in the same column. Make sure that it is in a standard form, in which the term that has highest number of exponents should be written as the first term of a polynomial, and followed by the second highest number of exponent as the second term, and so on. So there must be a decreasing order of the number of exponent when we arrange the terms in a polynomial. So we have 5x squared plus 3x minus 6 minus 7x minus 8, and then change the operation into addition and change the sign of each term in the second polynomial or subtrahend. So this will be the phase of our addition process now. So combine the terms which are said to be similar terms. So we are going to bring down 5x squared, and then you are going to add 3x and negative 7x, and the result is negative 4x. Add negative 6 and 8, and the result is positive 2. So therefore, the answer for this subtraction process is 5x squared minus 4x plus 2. For example number 4, subtract 3x minus 5 plus x squared from 4x cubed minus 2x plus 3x squared minus 7. So please take note that to subtract polynomials, we are going to change their operation into addition and change the sign of each term of the second polynomial or the subtrahend. Okay, first and foremost, we are going to write the given polynomials. Then, change the operations of the polynomials from subtraction to addition, and then change the sign of each term of the second polynomial or the subtrahend. So the subtrahend will become negative 3x plus 5 minus x squared. Next is to remove the parentheses in the process. So it will become 4x cubed minus 2x plus 3x squared minus 7 minus 3x. Because once you combine the positive and negative sign in this process, the operation in between of two numbers becomes subtraction. So negative 7 minus 3x. And then copy plus 5 minus x squared. Next, arrange the terms according to similar terms and then simplify them further. So, copy 4x cubed, and then the answer of 3x squared minus x squared is 2x squared. The answer of negative 2x minus 3x is negative 5x. And the answer of negative 7 plus 5 is negative 2. So therefore, the whole answer would be 4x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 2. Let's have a continuation for example number 4, but this time we will use the vertical method to subtract 3x minus 5 plus x squared from 4x cubed minus 2x plus 3x squared minus 7. So from this given 4x cubed minus 2x plus 3x squared minus 7 minus 3x minus 5 plus x squared to this 4x cubed plus 3x squared minus 2x minus 7 plus negative x squared minus 3x plus 5. Make sure that our polynomials should be in the standard form, in which the term that has the highest number of exponents should be written as the first term of the polynomial. So in our first polynomial, 4x cubed is written at the first term, and negative x squared in the second polynomial should be written also in the first term, and then followed by the second highest number of exponent as the second term. So in our first polynomial, 3x squared is next to our 4x cubed, and for our second polynomial, negative 3x is next to our negative x squared, and so on. So there must be a decreasing order of the number of exponents when we arrange the terms in a polynomial. See to it that we arrange the polynomials in column form, and the similar terms should be aligned or in the same column, and then combine the terms which are said to be similar. So bring down 4x cubed, and then 3x squared plus negative x squared, the answer is 2x squared. We have also negative 2x plus negative 3x, and the answer is negative 5x. Negative 7 plus 5, and the answer is negative 2. So the whole answer for this given would be 4x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 2. Thank you for listening, math learners.